You are most welcome, dear believing children, students, learners, and friends. Good morning to all of you. It is me, Suresh Bhardwaj, has been teaching English in different Navodaya Vidyalayas. Yes, today I am with you, before you, with the topic active passive voice. Active passive voice of models. How to change a sentence into passive voice of model auxiliaries. Here models have been enlisted here: will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, should, ought to. In active voice, in active mode, to be changed into verb form. Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, should, ought to, followed by be verb third form. और एक्टिव वॉइस में क्या था? विल, वुड, ये तमाम के बाद वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म था. ओके, इट इज द फर्स्ट जनरलाइजेशन ऑफ model, and this is your now second generalization. Tomorrow we will learn how to use these models and how to change them into passive. Will, would, shall, should, गा, गे, घी अर्थ देता है हिंदी में. कैन, कुड, मे, माइट सकना अर्थ में देगा. मस्ट, शुड, ऑट टू चाहिए अर्थ में देगा. विल पास्ट वुड, शैल पास्ट शुड, कैन, कुड, मे, माइट. ओके, फिर ऐसे ही रहेंगे, लेकिन ये बी वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म बढ़ जाएगा. उदाहरण दिया जा रहा है: दे विल किल द टाइगर. दे विल किल द टाइगर. विल किल model, will model, kill verb. Okay, here they subject, tiger object. The tiger, ले लिया हमने. The tiger will be verb third form, killed by them, doer of action, them. The tiger will be killed by them. Other sentence: I shall teach you. I shall teach you, मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा. You object here, you object, and this is your subject. You will be taught by me. Okay, action, doer. John can run a race. John एक दौड़ सकता है. कैन आपका मॉडल, शैल मॉडल. ओके, John can run a race. Subject, object. A race can be. A race can be run by John. Hanuman could defeat Ravan. Could model is subject, and this is object. Object of the verb feat, defeat. Ravan could be. Ravan could be defeated by Hanuman. Okay, we may win the match. संभावना व्यक्त की जा रही है. मॉडल हियर, we may win the match. हम मैच जीत सकते हैं. मैच ऑब्जेक्ट. The match may be won by us. Mary might help me. मेरी सहायता की होगी, करेगी. में सकना अर्थ में है, लेकिन यहाँ पर possibility, it expresses possibility of action to take place. Mary might help me. मेरी सहायता करेगी. I might, me object here. I might be helped by Mary. Mary might help me. मेरी सहायता करेगी. I might, me means I might be. I might be helped by Mary. We must help the poor. हमें गरीबों की सहायता करनी चाहिए अर्थ में चाहिए. We must help the poor. The poor object here. The poor must be helped by us. You should do homework. आपको homework करना चाहिए. Homework object and you subject. Homework should be done by you. Homework should be done by you. We ought to love our India. हमें अपने भारत को प्यार करना चाहिए. ought to. ओके, चाहिए अर्थ में, ये चाहिए अर्थ में. We ought to love our India. Our India object and this is now a subject. Our India, इसको दे दिया. Our India ought to be loved by us. should चाहिए अर्थ में, must चाहिए अर्थ में, ought to चाहिए अर्थ में, but here गागेगी अर्थ में. Here you see shall, should. I should follow you. हमें आपका अनुसरण करना होगा. shall, should. हमें आपका अनुसरण करना होगा. You should be. You should be. You object and this is your subject. You should be followed by me. You should be followed by me. Okay. Model, 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 model. These are the models. Okay. In passive voice. Will be, can be, may be, could be, might be, must be, or should be, ought to be. Okay, should be in passive form, in passive voice, and here in active voice. These are the sentences written here on whiteboard. Now are in active voice and these are into passive voice, affirmative sentences. Now how to use a negative not in passive voice. Here, see, look at, listen to me very attentively and look at a particular sentence. The tiger will not be killed by them. You will not be taught by me. Okay, a race cannot be run by John. Ravan could not be defeated by Hanuman. Match may not be won by us. I might not be held by Mary. The poor must not be held by us. Homework should not be here. Be done by you. Our India ought not, here not. Our India ought not to be loved by us. लेकिन ऐसा हम बोलेंगे नहीं. हम इसको निगेटिव नहीं प्रयोग करें. हम अपने भारत देश को प्यार नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसी बात नहीं, हमें करना चाहिए. बट निगेटिव सेंस लेने के लिए निगेटिव मत बनिए, नॉट यहाँ प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. You should not be followed by me. In this way, negative structure, you may frame negative sentences using not just before here, just before be. For your yes no response, if you want to get a yes no response, in that case, will or shall, will, can, could, may, might, etc. Take it out of the structure to get yes no response. For yes no response, now let us take, will the tiger be killed by them? Will you be taught by me? Likely so many other sentences you may frame, you may structure using not before be. Okay, and for what? Here, what, where, how, who, when, why. You may use question words. Okay, question word. What? Look at this sentence. What can be run by John? Okay, Ravan. Ravan could be defeated by Hanuman. Who could be defeated by Hanuman? Match may be won by us. Okay. When may the match be won by us? Okay. Why? यहाँ से लेते हैं, देखिए, why should homework be done by you? Likely so many other interrogative sentences, negative sentences, affirmative sentences you may frame, you may structure on this pattern. Okay dear, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.